Hi friends, welcome back to Art by Shri Pramada. Today I am going to show how to do the pencil sketch of apple with shading effects. For this I am taking HB pencil for drawing, 2B pencil for lighter shade, 4B pencil for medium shade and 8B pencil for dark shade. So first I am going to start the drawing with two circles. So on these circles I am going to give the shape of the apple, and after the shape of the apple is come I am going to erase the extra lines. Please follow these curves carefully, with which we are going to turn these circles into the apple. So I have taken a big circle with which I am going to do a full apple, and beside that I did a small circle with which I am going to turn into a half apple, which is cut into a half. So here we are going to make a realistic apple. So we are doing the seeds, the inside part, everything a bit clear. Whenever we are going to start the shading, we should give the lighter shade first. So I am taking the 2B pencil to give the light shade for full apple. Please be patient with the length of the video. Don't get bored, because I don't want to make it very fast. It should be useful for the kids and for the beginners too. As soon as we finish the coloring with 2B pencil, we need to blend it and mix so that the lighter shade spreads everywhere. Now I am going to give the medium shade with 4B pencil. As you observe, I am giving in the corners first. Then I am smudging it. Later I will go in the middle. Here I am using the hatching technique. The lines in one direction. And now I am smudging those lines. The same hatching technique I am going to repeat on the other side, that is the opposite side. Now we are going to give the darker shade. That is the final stage of our apple. First, we are going to give the outline with the dark shade. Then we are going to smudge it. After that, we are going to give the color inside. The main thing in the pencil shading is the light effect with dark effect. For the light effect, to show the light, I am going to erase some darker spaces. I am using a normal eraser to erase the dark spaces. Normally in pencil sketching, we use a kneaded eraser. Here I am giving the darker shade to show that depth from where that stem is coming. Please do follow all the light shades and the dark shades properly so that whatever you draw, it looks very realistic. Now I am giving the darker shade with 8B pencil. Now we are starting the open apple, which is cut into half. Since it is cut into half, we have to show all the details inside the apple. As usual, we are starting with the lighter shade. Now we are giving the details with the dark pencil. The seeds, the inside skin, which is attached to the seeds, everything. Please friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to get more and more videos. Here I am giving the shadow effect of the apples, both the apples. After the shadow effect is done, our apple, the realistic apple is ready. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel.